Go.
What I'm trying to tell you, Mr. of God in the corner, one of the three, but look at how two of you are lucky. Not only three, I am have 5 names. I am two more can name. I am Dowere. I am Ihu, and I am these ones. I was surprised. School now, a click. Today said they will take production warrants. And since 2019, you have not been to court. You came in 2022, you got be caught. And when you're not sure that look at how your leg is, look at how you are. The only good thing you can do for me is this. Please don't sing again. I sing again. Ị gagara wee pure water ị ga-eriju afọ. Ị ga-ebu wee brikiri ị ga-eriju afọ.
But that's never. That's na wall, na the gate, na prison gate.
Biko God just mee ya. Onye ahụ nye mere ka unu.
Bata atụlụjọ.
Onye ahụ mere ka unu la awụ na o mere ya na o ji.
Na ka aha gị.
Owoji elu. But
ịsụwala bekee now. Aha gị ọ gịnị?
Amo Chinedu Michael.
Iwe onye ebe.
Amo onye Ajebe.
Ọha jebu ma na ebe. Obosima. Gị nwakwanụ? Njọkụ Mike iwe onye ebe. Ebe na Mbaise. Abọ Mbaise. Ele ihe kpọtara ụnụ abụọ ebe a?
Using the name of organization which I established in 2022 before the 2023 election of P2B, I was able to reach out to the prison authorities and got these particular guys released. This happened to be 2 among the 6 members of the inmate that have been held for 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, 4 years without going to court. So we're able to secure their release through the instrumentality of a friend, Pastor Henry, who assisted us in handling the release bail and getting a lawyer and did everything within his reach to get this young man released. So this happened. This was my birthday gift to the society in 2014. They are back home now, but it's unfortunate that I have just lost contact with them. So I'm making this video. That if you know these faces of this guy with the name, do a favor to get in touch with me so that we can still know if they are doing very well in the society, so that they will not go back to where they left. We need to get them reinstituted or reintegrated into the society to enable them flow very well in the society and be able to be productive to themselves, to God, and to humanity. This is me, Joe Vicar, having done what I think I should do for humanity and to the glory of God. So if you see this video, do a way to share it so that the members of the family will reach out to us on my page. They just inbox me to tell me how they are faring, to let us know, be sure they are doing better than they were before they came to the prison. So if you are so interested in joining us to go back to the prison this year, March 20th is my birthday. You can support us with any amount. Let's get more people out of the prison. Igbo ruler, it is Igbo.